From fluffy clusters to cozy warmth, unveiling the meticulous process of down jacket production in garment factories. Down jackets, the ultimate gear for battling bitter cold, involve far more than simple cutting and sewing. Their creation is a complex art blending materials science, precision engineering, and artisanal craftsmanship. The creation of a high-quality down jacket involves dozens of meticulous steps, each crucial to its final warmth, comfort, and durability. Let's delve into a modern garment factory for a comprehensive look at the journey of making a down jacket. Stage 1. Design and material preparation, the blueprint and foundation of warmth. The starting point for any garment is design, and this holds especially true for down jackets. 1. Sketches and pattern design. Designers create conceptual sketches and technical drawings based on market trends and functional requirements. Professional pattern makers then translate these designs into millimeter-precise, architectural blueprints for production. Paper patterns. These patterns encompass all components, body panels, sleeves, hoods, pockets, and more. In modern factories, this process is typically completed digitally using CAD software, ensuring high precision while facilitating easy modifications and grading, creating patterns for different sizes. 2. Fabric, trims, and down selection. This is the core step determining the jacket's quality. Fabric, primarily divided into outer shell and inner, lining fabrics. The outer shell must possess down-proof, wind-proof, waterproof, and moisture-wicking properties. Common materials include high-density nylon or polyester, such as nylon satin or tarlatan, often treated with coatings like Teflon. Inner lining fabrics prioritize softness and comfort. Down, the sole of the jacket. Manufacturers rigorously select down according to fill standards, e.g., Chinese, American, European. Key metrics include down content, the percentage of down clusters and feathers in the down mix. Down clusters form three-dimensional spherical structures that trap significant air volume, providing essential warmth. Higher down content, e.g., 90%, 95%, correlates with superior warmth. Loft measures the core insulating capability of down, defined as the cubic inches occupied by 1 ounce of down under specified conditions. Higher loft indicates greater air trapping capacity and enhanced thermal efficiency. Cleanliness and oxygen demand pertains to the hygiene of the down, which must undergo rigorous cleaning and high-temperature sterilization to ensure it is odor-free and free of impurities. Accessories, including zippers, often brands like YKK, fasteners, Velcro, sewing thread, requiring high-strength down-proof thread, etc., all must pass durability and functionality tests. 3. Cutting. Precision cutting tailored to measure. Once preparations are complete, production moves to the cutting workshop. Fabric spreaders lay the material in layers on massive cutting tables, sometimes up to hundreds of layers thick. Operators then input computer-generated pattern data into computer-controlled automatic cutting machines. The blades on these machines precisely cut all garment pieces along pre-programmed paths. Precision at this stage is critical. Any deviation will affect the aesthetics and functionality of the final sewing. Stage 2. Sewing and filling. Precision and core craftsmanship. This is the pivotal stage, where flat fabric pieces transform into three-dimensional garments, representing the most technically demanding process. 1. Downproofing, stitching and binding. Down jackets are most vulnerable to down leakage. To prevent fine down fibers from escaping through needle holes, factories employ two primary techniques: double-layer stitching, the most traditional and common method. When sewing two fabric pieces together, instead of a single seam, a parallel stitch is added either inside or outside the primary seam. This creates a channel approximately 1.5 centimeters wide, known as a quilting channel. This not only secures the filling but also reduces down leakage by blocking the needle holes with an additional stitch. Seamless heat bonding. This represents a more advanced technique. Special adhesive tape is applied to the inner seam of the fabric using a high-temperature heat press, completely replacing stitches. This achieves 100% downproofing, significantly reduces garment weight, and creates a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. Many premium outdoor brands utilize this technology. Toe, stand-up lining structure and down filling sealing. To maximize warmth, high-end down jackets employ a stand-up lining structure. This involves using a thin mesh material, lining, between fabric layers to create individual, small compartments, down pockets. This ensures even distribution and full expansion of the down, creating a thick insulating air layer while preventing clumping within the chambers. Down filling is the most visually captivating stage of the process. Factories employ specialized filling machines. Weight calibration. First, the precise amount of down required for each chamber is set according to design specifications. For example, one pocket on the front panel requires 5 grams, while another needs 4.5 grams. Precise filling. Workers place garment panels over the machine's nozzles, and the machine uses air pressure to blow the measured down into designated pockets. This process occurs in a negative pressure dust-free environment to maintain clean workshop air. Sealing. After filling each pocket, workers immediately seal the filling opening with a sewing machine before moving to the next pocket. This cycle continues until all pockets are filled. 3. Assembly sewing. Once all garment sections, front, back, sleeves, etc., are filled, the final assembly sewing begins. Workers attach sleeves to the body, sew shoulder and side seams, and install hoods, zippers, pockets, etc. following strict procedures. Each step requires skilled craftsmanship to ensure straight, symmetrical, and neat stitching. Phase 3. Finishing and quality control. The final gatekeeper. A completed down jacket undergoes meticulous refinement before leaving the factory. 1. Finishing process. High-temperature steam pressing flattens the garment's appearance, removes wrinkles, and restores the down's loft. Fur collar attachment. If designed with a fur collar, it is hand-sewn by workers during this stage. Accessory assembly. Trims loose threads and attaches adjustable buckles, hang tags, etc. Toe. Rigorous quality inspection. This serves as the final safeguard for product quality. Inspectors meticulously examine each finished garment like detectives. Visual inspection. Check fabric for defect, stains, color consistency, neat stitching, and skip stitches. Dimension measurement. Verify all dimensions against standards using rulers. Functional testing. Repeatedly test zipper smoothness and fastener durability. Down distribution check. Manually assess whether each down pocket is evenly filled, free of gaps or clumps. Weight verification. Weigh the finished product to ensure total down fill meets specifications. Only down jackets passing all inspections receive tags, are placed in packaging bags, and finally boxed for shipment worldwide, bringing warmth throughout the winter to people everywhere. Conclusion. Thus, what appears to be a simple down jacket embodies countless hours of dedication and ingenuity throughout its creation. From the designer's creative strokes to the pattern maker's precise calculations, from the tailor's skillful cutting to the seamstress' meticulous stitching, and finally to the down-filling worker's precision and the quality inspector's keen eye, every step is indispensable. It is precisely this relentless pursuit of detail and relentless refinement of craftsmanship that elevates modern down jackets beyond mere cold weather garments. They stand as functional works of art, embodying the perfect fusion of technology and craftsmanship.